I'm really hungry.
McDonald's.
Tomato.
A stinky burrito.
Grr.
Sandwich. Hello, Toa Squad. Thanks for watching the Ohana adventure today. We're hanging out in the van.
What up?
What's up? I am so excited because I have something fun for you guys today. We're gonna play something a little bit torturous with the kids.
Torturous to me.
What does that mean?
Not torturous. It's gonna be a really fun game and I'm really excited. But before we get started,
Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because we want to know if you guys like these types of videos and if you want to see more like this. So also comment down below that whole shindig shwap shibibble do.
Shwap Shabibble do. Here we go with the crew.
I'm Clara. I'm Clay. I'm Evie. I'm Shay. I'm what? Right, Cal.
Dad and Mom. Guess what we're doing today, guys? Who's ready for it?
Woo!
All right, who's ready? Here we go. We are doing the No Talk Whisper Challenge. And we're gonna take turns for Mom or Dad. So Mom or Dad are going to be wearing the headphones.
Noise canceling loud headphones.
We're gonna put some music on and the kids are going to have to whisper where they want to eat, as well as when we get into the restaurant, what they want to eat, and we'll see what they get for dinner. Who is ready for the Whisper Dinner Fast Food Challenge?
I got this. I was born to not speak in my life.
Uh-oh.
Evie, me and you can do it, right?
I'm really hungry.
Dad.
I kind of want some dinner.
Dad, you don't have to yell.
Did you? I smell?
You don't have to yell like blah blah blah.
You want to eat falafel?
What is that?
Should we go get some Greek food?
No.
You just call me fat?
I love falafel.
All right, Dad's headphones are actually connected to Clay's music. So Clay is controlling the music right now. Dad was really good at lip reading, so I'm gonna be the one to guess where the kids wanna go to eat and what they wanna eat at the restaurant.
R.I.P. headphone users.
What'd you say?
Okay, guys, we are gonna tell Mom where we want to go.
Something about Mom.
Where we want to go and eat for dinner right now.
I would like to go to Harmon's.
I am keeping that.
You wanna get a Hershey Kiss?
No.
You only have 3 tries.
Oh, I have to guess it 3 tries? Oh, this is hard.
Harmon's. Grocery store. Harmon's.
No.
Hardee's. Hardee's? Isn't that Arby's?
That's your second.
Is that not Arby's?
That's your second try.
Harmon's.
No more. No more. No more.
Harmon's! Yes! Why are we going to a grocery store?
You'll see why.
Let's go! Okay, we're at Harmon's and I'm at, oh.
Sushi.
She wants sushi. I know, Clay.
He has to tell you what kind.
Well, I don't know what kind I want
Well,
yet.
then that's your problem.
Let me go look.
A few moments later.
California.
Furikake?
California shrimp roll.
Something with tempura.
California shrimp roll.
she totally spit on me. California. And there was something else.
Shrimp.
Shrimp! Okay,
Roll.
go get your shrimp roll. Are we done at Harmon's? That's it?
No.
You want to shop here too?
Yes.
Okay, child number 2.
Tomato basil soup. Tomato basil
The second try.
soup.
Temples and something soup?
Soup's right.
Okay.
Last try.
That wasn't a second guess. No.
Tomato basil.
Oh,
soup.
basil.
Yes.
Tomato basil.
Tomato basil
Go
soup.
get your soup. Are we done here at Harmon's?
Yes.
I got 2 kids.
Wyatt.
Wyatt?
Not here.
Okay, so we're gonna find out where we are gonna find out where we're going to next.
Del Taco. Del Taco.
A hot dog place? Del Taco?
Yes!
All right, Wyatt, we're here. What's going down?
3 guesses, but he can tell me multiple times?
No.
No, because I gotta try and get it.
Okay.
Okay.
Beef and cheese burrito.
A burrito.
Beef and cheese.
Big fat with cheese.
Beef and cheese.
Beef and cheese.
Yeah.
I like the squat.
Mom,
Sprinkler.
Mom,
Sprinkler.
just go, Bo.
You want Del Taco? Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought she wanted to go somewhere else.
So what do you want?
Did you see this? She is ready.
This is ready.
Cheese burrito.
Huh?
Cheese burrito. Oh, look at that detective form.
What's this? What is this?
Cheese burrito.
Pico? Like pico de gallo? A burrito? A stinky burrito? Does she mean like a fish burrito?
No. Cheese burrito.
I don't know, just like a regular bean and cheese burrito?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yes. Yes. Bean and cheese.
And she changed it a little bit, but that's okay.
Yeah!
Now, Raquel, let me remind you, this is called the whisper challenge.
Whisper.
Yes, you have to whisper it.
Ready?
Wow.
Ready?
I don't think I.
Just start saying it.
Okay. Cafe Rio. Cafe Rio.
Polo Yoko? I mean Pollo Loco? There's an F in there.
Cafe Rio.
McDonald's. No.
Oh!
Calf. Cafeteria! Yes! And you blew my left ear drum too.
Okay, get in the
Ready?
car,
Right, go. Tostada. Oh, I got this. I got this.
What? What?
The tostada. Right? Right? Okay. And what is on it? Like your meat.
Steak.
What?
Steak.
I can't hear you.
Steak.
Stop.
You're not supposed to
Hey.
hear her.
Steak.
Chicken?
No.
Oh.
Steak. Steak.
What was that?
Steak.
It's like a snapping turtle. What is it?
Steak.
Steak.
Yes.
All right. And a drink?
Mint lime.
A pinch of lime?
Mint lime.
That's called a mojito.
Mojito. Mosquito mojito. Mojito.
I'm gonna get horchata because that's what I want. I don't know what you said.
All right, Shay, it's your
In
turn.
love and in New York
You ready?
Shake,
Okay.
shake.
ready,
Know
Mom?
who I am, but I just know that I'm good.
Yeah.
Be drunk and in love and in New York City. No, it's not me.
Mom!
Going
Mom!
into that
Mom!
hours
Mom!
talking.
It's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn.
Caesar? Caesar.
Almost. Neither. I need you, Mom. Neiters.
Caesar salad?
Caesar, but neither. No.
The problem is, when you say meters, it's all in your mouth. It's not with your lips, so it's hard to see. This is awesome.
Neiters.
No, cheater.
Neaters!
Oh, he cheated.
Get it?
All right, neaters it is.
Let's go.
Yes, Superman! Ah, yeah! Mom, you'll be working your mind because these lips are about to get on, girl.
Whoa.
Is that what
was
you
weird.
want?
No.
What was that? I'm like, that's a really long word.
He wants his lips to get on, is what he said.
What?
Oh, sorry,
talk like that.
I did not mean that. I'm so sorry. I didn't even know what I said. Grilled cheese sandwich. Grr.
Sandwich? Sandwich?
Grilled.
This is what that looks like. I don't know what that means.
I'll just say it. Grilled cheese.
Cheese?
Yes, grilled cheese sandwich.
A cheese sandwich.
Yes, but grilled.
But what?
Grilled.
Grilled.
Grilled cheese sandwich with tomato basil soup.
Your sister already got soup. You can eat that. All right.
Yes!
So we got everyone else's food. I didn't get no meal.
I thought we were gonna just scrounge off of the kids' food.
I didn't get no meal. I did not get no meal. I'm hungry. So Mom, headphones on.
What? What are we doing?
Pretty please. Thai food date night.
You want takeout food?
Thai food date night.
Sushi? Clay got sushi? No.
Sushi!
No? Thai food? I want Thai food?
Date night. Date night.
Dinner.
Date.
Denny's.
Date
A date?
night.
Yeah! Because I'm happy.
All right, you guys.
Because I'm
Thanks
happy.
for watching. Think we're gonna go on
Give
a
a
date
big
night.
thumbs up! Woo!
I'm actually ringing in my ear.
Mahalo!
Найти. И если все еще дышишь, значит включи заново, чтобы звучало более пышно, пока адреналин не выжмет из тебя вышку, пока децибелы не станут прожигать лампочки вспышками. Если лимиты превышены, то один эффект, эффектом фефи, в голове эффект эпифетик. Наш диалект способен поломать твои извилины. Без стиля, без усилий, мы лишь вирус на любом носителе. И мы всего лишь 25-й кадр твоего слуха гипнотизируем. Ведь разум подчиняется звукам, и эта мания подобна настоящей магии, что разрывает от начала до конца твое сознание.
One.